Welcome to Activity 52. In this activity, we will be developing the addition strategy of bridging 10, starting with a part of 7, 8 or 9 for holes of up to 20. To complete this activity, you need 2 of each block from 1 to 9 and 1 linear 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and white sleeve. I'm going to model player 2's turn with a spin of 7 add 5. First they place the part of 7 and then they place the part of 5 in 2 blocks. First they need to place a block that bridges 10 and then one more block to complete adding on the 5. If I need to, I can check. They then complete building the hole to make it equal in length to the parts. We then say 7 add 5 equals 12. And I knew this answer was going to have to be 1 less than the other player because 8 and 7 are different by 1. The goal is to make the largest hole, so player 2 wins for this round. Now it's your turn. For this addition, it's part, add part equals whole. We place the blocks representing the parts below the number line, and we place the blocks representing the whole above the number line. Player 1 goes first and they spin 8 add 5. They first place the part of 8 and then they place the part of 5, but they place it in 2 blocks. 1 block to bridge 10 and 1 more block. They then make the whole the same length as the parts, so they are equal. And we say 8 add 5 equals 13. Make sure that you touch the matching parts as you say them, especially the parts that join to bridge 10 like the 5. And I record 8 add 5 equals 13.